Class 6K Physics के chapter number 3 Physical Quantities and Measurement. So I will going to only read with no explanation, because first we will read, and after some times I will upload this chapter with explanation. So we will start. Let's begin to start the chapter. Physical Quantities and Measurement. So physical quantities, what is measurement, is a part of almost every aspect of our daily life. For example, if we are going to a new place, we will need to know the distance and the time it will take to reach here there, so that we can plan out journey accordingly. When buying vegetables and groceries, we will want to know their weight to pay the correct amount of money. Thus, we need to measure the quantities of most of the things around us to be able to take correct decision regarding their utility. Imagine what would happen if there was no way to measure things. We would then have to describe the size or weight of things just by seeing or holding them. But we cannot always rely on our senses. For example, look at the three lines given in figure 3.1. Here is the figure, the first line, second line, and third line. Okay, the line at the bottom looks longer than the other two lines, but if we measure them with a ruler, we will find that they are all of the same length. To find out the exactness of an unknown quantity, we need to compare it with a known fixed quantity of the same kind. Here is the definition of measurement. So, determining the exact value of an unknown quantity by comparing it with a known fixed quantity of the same kind is known as measurement. So, we will come to the next heading, physical quantities. Any quantity that can be measured is called a physical quantity. It is a definition of physical quantity. Any quantity that can be measured is called a physical quantity. The volume of milk in a bottle, the distance between your school and home, and the weight of your body are a few examples of physical quantities. Temperature, area, and mass are some other examples of physical quantities. There are two types of physical quantities, namely fundamental physical quantities and derived physical quantity. Here is some knowledgeable boxes. The branch of science that deals with measurement is known as metrology. The branch of science that deals with measurement is known as metrology. So we'll come to the next page. The heading is fundamental physical quantity. It is a part of the physical quantity. The first part is fundamental physical quantities. Basic physical quantities that do